Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at the After School Program Kids Club at Sayre Elementary School, part of the South Lyon School District. And it was a beautiful day because this is the same elementary school where I went to school. And I was part of the same kids club. We actually had the assembly in the same exact room where I went to kids club growing up. So to be able to come here and, share my heart at the, city that raised me, but the elementary itself that raised me was just a true honor. Right? And the main focus of the message, I'm outside the school here now, but the main focus was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at the heart first. Seeing someone just like you see your best friend. And piggybacking off of MLK Day, which was this past Monday, we also really tried to focus on Dr. King. One of his quotes, talking about that we need to stick with love because hate, it's too much weight to keep all that on our shoulders and in our heart, and that we have to become healed people who heal people. Turn any hurt that we have from hurt people who hurt people into healing, right? So we can share that kindness with others, not only in our after school program or at our school, in our classroom, but in our homes, right? In our neighborhoods, in our community. And they really got that today. And I was so touched because so many students came up to me after and said, Mr. Peace, what you shared really touched my heart. And I said, well, if that's the case, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat others going forward, right? We also talk about the M on all of our palms, right? With the lines in each of our hand, we have at least one on each hand, but I trace one of mine here. And that M stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and to receive it. So we can always choose kindness. We can always choose respect. We can always choose compassion. And that world needs us, right? It needs us to turn our hearts as big as our fist into this. And if we let love fully enter into here, we can turn it into this, that one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, we can positively or negatively change a life forever, right? By what we say, what we do, through our actions. So again, a beautiful afternoon. Thank you again to Paige George, the director over at South Lyon Community Coalition, for sponsoring today's event. All the bracelets that they each received that say need human kindness, them making the promise in their heart to go show that kindness into this world. And as always, you guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year and hope to see you again. Finally, until then, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this YouTube playlist of some other motivational clips. And you can also visit my website through the other link on this video to track my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.